The U.S. Marine Corps has announced arrival of the new Amphibious Combat Vehicle, Command and Control Variant. The Command and Control Variant is a modern armored vehicle designed to serve as a mobile command post for the U.S. Marine Corps, providing advanced communication and coordination capabilities in amphibious operations. The Chinese military and civilian cargo drone CHYH-1000 has reportedly successfully passed taxiing and full operational tests. Its high-wing design enhances ground clearance, allowing for larger cargo holds and easier loading and unloading of supplies or equipment. France's Defense Procurement Agency has delivered two H-225M Caracal helicopters to the Air and Space Force. The new helicopters feature improved operational capacity, including increased detection with cutting-edge optronic cameras, a modernized cockpit, and more precise GPS navigation system. Japan has awarded Kawasaki Heavy Industries a contract to distribute 17 CH-47 Chinook heavy-lift helicopters to the armed forces, featuring advanced airframe, fuel system and drivetrain, increasing the system's overall weight to boost its lift capability.